Good afternoon to all. Now I am going to tell about one of the freedom fighter. Let us see the slide. Now I am briefly speech about the world freedom fighter. Guess who is he? We most of them know when we see the photo immediately. Nelson Mandela. His original name is Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. He was born on 18 July 1918 in the Transkei village KwaZulu-Natal, which is now known as Miviso in South Africa. He is a famous South African freedom fighter. He was served as a 11th President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black head of state and the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. He was repeatedly arrested for seditious activities and was unsuccessfully prosecuted in the 1956 prison jail trial. He secretly joined the banned South African Communist Party SACP, although initially committed to non-violent protest in association with SACP. His revolution activity. He was protested against racialism, so he was arrested. Now we are going to see the meaning of racialism. Racialism means discrimination against individual on the basis of their skin color or racial or ethnic origin. When he protested against racialism, Mandela served 27 years in prison, split between Robben Island, Pollsmoor prison and Victor Verster prison. 21st century. When he was in the prison, he told his countrymen, "In my country we go to first prison first and then become president." Nelson Mandela. And another quotes of Nelson Mandela. I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the idea of democratic and free society in which all persons will live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal which I hope to live for and I to see realized. But if it needs be, it is an ideal for which I am prepared to die. Nelson Mandela. Finally, amid growing domestic and international pressures of the countries and with the fear of racial civil war, the civil war means which they fought together them between in a country. The President F.W. de Klerk released him in 1990. When he came out from the prison, he served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. And a few years after, he was died on 5th December 2013, aged 95, in Johannesburg, Gauteng, South Africa. His famous awards: Sakharov Prize 1988, Bharat Ratna 1990, Nishan-e Pakistan 1992, Nobel Peace Prize. His Nobel Peace is a famous award 1993, Lenin Peace Prize 1990, President Medal of Freedom, which is given in South Africa. Many books and movies were released in Mandela's biography. One of the famous movies is Mandela's Long Walk to Freedom, and many books and movies are released. Thank you. Really, he is such an inspiring 21st century world freedom fighter.